Hi, this is P5, Chapter 3, Ratio, Question 7. Mr. Ahmad had some red and white football jersey in the ratio of 2:3. After he gave away 8 red jersey and bought 8 white jersey, the ratio of the number of red jersey to the number of white jersey became 2:5. How many white jerseys did Mr. Ahmad have at first? Alright, so we're gonna go for our second reading now. So they mentioned that the first one, Mr. Ahmad has some red and white football jersey in the ratio of 2:3. Right, so red to white at first 2:3. After he gave away 8 red jersey and bought 8 white jersey, now the ratio of red to the white jersey became 2:5. So how many white jersey did Mr. Ahmad have at first? Right, so again we're gonna list that first. We're gonna list down the ratio informations that they give in the questions now. Alright, at first there is the red is to the white jersey. The ratio is 2:3. Alright, then this red jersey, as they mentioned, they give away 8 red jersey, so we just make an indication minus 8. Alright, and he bought 8 white jersey, so with this white he bought 8, so we do a plus 8. Alright, with this giveaway and buying new, we notice that the number is the same. Okay, this one you need to notice. Alright, this one particular information that it gives to notice. So with this minus 8 or giveaway 8 and buying 8 more jersey, now the ratio of the red with the white jersey, it become 2:5. Alright, they want us to find out how many white jersey they have at first. This is the question mark. Alright, okay, so how do we do this? Alright, from this question, what we can gather firstly is that we notice the total of the giveaway is equals to the total buy. Okay, this is what we can gather. From this we gather, therefore we can actually also say the total at first is equals to the total in the end. This is two information we can gather from the question. Alright, so what do we do next? When we mention about the total at first is equals to the total in the end, therefore this part here will be total unit is 5, whereas this part here the total unit is 7. How are we gonna make this 5 unit and 7 unit to be equal, the same? So means that we must change it to become 35 unit. Okay, we must change this to become 35 unit because the LCM of 5 and 7 will give you 35. Alright, so how do we change to 35 unit for this? This one we will need to times 7, where we get us 14. This one also will need to multiply by 7, where will give us 21. So 14 plus 21 will give us 35. Next one. So this, how do we multiply to get 35? Here let's try with 5. 5, you'll get 25 down here, means down here also we need to multiply by 5, there we get 10, there you get 35. Okay, now we get the new ratio of the before. This is the before. or at first, and this is the after. Alright, okay, now what do we do next? So from here, I want you to notice some things, okay? I'm going to highlight a few things. Let's see from the before, when they mentioned about, I want you to take note of this. Let's go through the rate first. There's a -8, means there's a decreased number. Look at this. You have your 14 going to 10. You see? There's a decreased, right? So 14 unit and 10 unit at the end. The decrease is 4 unit. Alright, so the next one I want you also notice is this. Now I want you to notice the white, which is a +8. Do you see that this is 21 and this is 25? So from 21 going to 25, there's an increase of it. You see? So this is a +4 increase. Just now there is a -4 decrease. So we can safely say that 4 unit here is equivalent to our 8 pieces. Alright, so that's how we come to the conclusion. So we put here 4 unit is equivalent to 4 jersey. Alright, what do they ask for? They ask for white jersey at first. The white jersey at first is this one, this 21. Okay, so we're gonna find a 21 unit. So again, we take 4 divide 4 times 21. Sorry, it's not 4. My apology. This is 8. Yeah, thank you. So it's 8 here and 8 here. Okay, so when we cancel this, so from here we get 42 jerseys. Alright, so I hope this video is useful and easy enough for you to understand, to explain to your child at home. I'll see you in the next video.